Okay. Yes, let's start with the Mishari. Yes, Mishari?
Yes, teacher.
Honey, so can you tell me which state of matter or what the kind of matter we have, okay? Number one, what about this hot chocolate? You drink the hot chocolate, so it's a liquid or it's a solid?
Liquid.
Great job, Mishari. What about the rain? These drops of
And
it's a water or sorry, it's a liquid or a solid?
solid.
It's look, honey, rain,
No, liquid.
water.
Liquid.
Yeah, it's a liquid. What about the apple here?
Apple.
Yeah,
Solid.
yeah, great job. What about the dog?
The dog. Solid.
Great job. What about the helium in the balloon here?
Liquid.
Can you touch it?
Solid.
Huh. Helium inside the balloon. Can you see the helium inside the balloon? It's a liquid or it's a gas?
Liquid.
Liquid or gas?
Gas.
Yes, it's a gas. We cannot see it. It's a gas. Take the shape of the balloon and spread out. Okay? Here, what about this air? The air in Peach Bowl. The air is gas or liquid?
Gas.
Is a gas. Great job, Mishari. Thanks a lot, honey. Super boy. Okay. Now let's choose a number. Yes, Saqr. Saqr.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, choose a number.
7.
Okay. What about number 7? We need a gas called what to survive? Yes, Saqr. This gas in the air. We breathe it.
Oxygen.
Yes, great job. Amazing, Saqr. It's oxygen. Thanks a lot, Saqr. Super. Yes, Saud.
Yes, teacher. I am Saud.
Let's choose a number, Saud.
Yes. Number 8.
Yeah. And what is used to measure the length of matter? How can you measure the length, Saud? By mass or by ruler?
By
Yes, Saud, mass or ruler?
ruler. I
Yes.
think ruler.
Yes, Saud, ruler. Length, how long, tall. Tall, we can use it by ruler. We can measure it by ruler, Saud. By?
Ruler.
Great job, Saud. Thanks a lot, honey. Yes, Yahya Hussein?
Yes, teacher.
Honey, let's choose a number.
Number 7.
Yeah, 7 done. Another? Yes, Yahya, please quickly.
Yes, teacher. Now say.
Can you choose another, honey?
1.
Okay. What about number 1? What form of matter is this? Look at this object and tell me. What form of matter? It's a solid or gas or liquid?
Solid.
Great job, Yahya. It's a solid. And Yahya, solid has shape of its own or has no shape?
No shape.
Great job, Yahya. Thanks, honey. Yes, Abdullah Abdulaziz? Abdullah Abdulaziz?
Yes, teacher.
Choose a number, honey.
2.
Yes. Which word tell how much space something takes up? In the liquid takes how much space? Look. This is the measuring cup, and here it's a water. How much space the water take it? It's called mass or volume?
Volume.
Yes, great job, Abdullah. And how can you measure the volume? By balance or by measuring cup?
Measuring cup.
Great job, Abdullah. Super boy. Thanks, honey. Yes, Abdulaziz Mansour. Abdulaziz Mansour.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, honey. Let's choose a number.
Number 4.
Yeah. How much matter is in the object? How much matter? More matter or less matter? The amount of matter in an object. More matter or less matter? And the matter will be heavy or light. So it's the mass or volume?
Mass.
Great job, Abdulaziz. Is the math. Thanks, honey. Super. Yes, Abdullah Al-Hakami. Abdullah.
Yes, teacher.
Honey, yes, choose a number, please.
28.
Yeah. Here in 28, liquids have a shape of their own. True or false, Abdullah? Liquids have of course, false. Which kind of matter has shape of their own? Have shape of their own.
Solid.
Great job, Abdullah. But liquids and gas has no shape. Thanks a lot, honey. Yes, Abdulaziz Assam. Abdulaziz Assam, I ask you to unmute, honey.
Yes, teacher.
Honey, let's choose a number.
3.
Okay, number 3. Yes, is used to measure the mass of matter. How can you measure the mass, honey? By balance or by ruler?
Balance.
Great job. Thanks a lot, Abdulaziz. So focus grade 2. You can measure the mass by balance, length by ruler, volume by measuring cup. Thanks, honey. Yes, Naif? 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 Yes, Naif. Choose a number, Naif.
5.
Yes. And number 5, solid, liquid, and what are forms of matter? What about the last one? Solid, liquid, and? Yeah?
And mass.
And gas. Solid, liquid, and?
Gas.
Solid, liquid, and gas. Thanks a lot, honey. Are forms of matter. So how many? Naif, they are how many? 3 or 4? Solid, liquid, and gas. 3 forms of matter. Great job, Naif. Thanks, honey. Yes, Muhammad Fahd? Muhammad Fahd? Muhammad Fahd?
Yes, teacher.
Honey, let's choose.
I choose 7.
Yeah?
27.
Okay. Yes. Volume is a measure of the amount of what something takes up. Look, honey. This is the measuring cup, and this is the volume. Yeah. Here, the volume. Measure what? Measure the amount of space or the amount of mass something takes up.
Mass.
Mass or space?
Space.
Yes, the amount of space something takes up. The amount of?
Space.
Space. The amount of? Yes, Muhammad, the amount of space. How? The volume. Yes, honey. How can you measure the volume of the liquid? How? By balance or by measuring cup?
Measuring cup.
Yes, great job. By measuring cup. So you can measure the volume of liquids by measuring cup. Thanks, honey. Great job. Yes, Muhammad Riyad. Muhammad Riyad. Muhammad Riyad.
Yes, teacher. I'm Muhammad Riyad.
Choose a number. Hamad, please turn off your camera, Hamad. Yes, honey. Choose a number quickly.
26.
Okay. Here in 26, you can feel the gases in moving in which day? In a snowy day or in a windy day?
Windy.
Yeah, great job. In a windy day. Tell me, honey, how about the air? The air is made up of gases or liquids?
Gas.
Great job, Muhammad. Super boy. Yes, Hamad? Hamad?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, honey. To choose a number.
22.
Yeah. What about 22 here? Liquids take the shape of the container they are in. True or false, Hamad?
False.
Listen well, Hamad. Liquids take the shape of the container they are in. Look, Hamad, I will explain for you. If you have a bottle of milk, yeah?
Yeah.
Now the milk take the shape of the bottle, yes or no?
Yes.
If you put the milk, if you pour it from the bottle into another cup, okay? Now the liquid will take the shape of this cup or no?
Yes.
Yes, take the shape of this cup. So the liquids take the shape of
Container.
the container they are in. Look, Hamad, I will show you something. Where is it? Yeah. Look, Hamad. Here we have a bottle of water, or it's a water, okay? We put it here,
Okay.
long cup, in a wide one, in a small one. What about the liquids here? Has fixed shape or take the shape of the container?
Take the shape of the container.
Oh, it's true or false, Ahmed?
True.
Yes, it's true. Great, Muhammad. Thanks, honey. Super. Okay. Now, yes, Abdullah Qasim. Abdullah Muhammad Qasim. What's wrong, Abdullah? Okay, Zaid. Zaid.
Yes.
Yes, honey. Is to choose a number? Yes, quickly, Zaid, please choose a number.
I want 21.
Yes. Okay, here. 21 liquids have a shape of their own. True or false?
True.
Liquids have a shape of their own. First, Yahya,
No.
Yahya, Hassan, turn off your camera. Liquids have a shape of their own. Zaid?
No.
No. Which kind of matter have a shape of their own? Solids or gases?
Solids.
Yes, great job. So only the solids have a shape of their own, but liquids and gases has no shape of its own. Has what, Zaid?
No shapes in the on.
Of its own, no shape of its own. Yes, Zaid, no shape of its
On.
own. Thanks a lot, Zaid. Great job. Yes, Basil? Basil?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, honey, is to choose a number?
I want number 21.
Okay, wait.
21.
But 21 done. Choose another, honey.
20.
Okay. Yes, liquids have mass and takes up space. All the matter have mass and takes up space. It's true or false, Basil? Basil?
Yes.
Yes, honey, true or false? Yes, liquids have mass and takes up space. All the matter, Basil, have mass and takes up space. So it's true or false?
True.
Yes, it's a true, Basil. Thanks a lot, Basil. Excellent. Yes, Abdullah Muhammad Said. Abdullah Muhammad Said. Yes, Abdurrahman.
Yes, teacher. I'm Abdullah Muhammad Al-Sayyid.
Okay, yes, wait, Abdurrahman. Wait, honey, Abdullah. Yes, let's choose a number, Abdullah.
I want number 7.
Yeah. Here, what about number 7? We need a gas called what to survive?
We need oxygen.
We need oxygen to survive. Great job, Abdullah. What about this gas, Abdullah? Has shape of its own or has no shape?
Has no shape.
Yes, and what else with the gas? Which kind of matter also has no shape? Yeah. Yeah, liquid or solid? Which has no shape?
liquid
Great job. What about the solid? Solid has shape?
has a shape.
Yes, great job. You are excellent, honey. Thanks a lot. Yes, Abdurrahman? Abdurrahman?
Yes, teacher.
Need to choose a number, honey?
Teacher.
Yes, honey. Is to choose a
28.
28. Okay. Here in 28, liquids have a shape of their own. True or false?
False.
Yeah, of course, false. Which kind of matter have a shape of their own? Solids or gases?
Solid.
Great job. Solid, the only kind, has shape of its own, but liquid and gas has no. Yes, Abdurrahman, liquids and gas
Shape.
no shape of its own. Great job, honey. Thanks a lot. Yes, Ali? Ali?
Yes.
So let's choose a number, Ali.
Number 1.
5. Okay. And number 5, solid, liquid, and what are forms of matter? Solid, liquid,
False.
and gas. Great job, Ali. Tell me, Ali, gas has shape of its own or has no shape?
No shape.
Great job. Like what, Ali, gas? Like what, the gas? Give me one example of the gas.
Like milk.
Milk? Milk is a gas or liquid?
Liquid.
But what about the air? Air is made of up of gases or of liquids?
Gases.
Great job, Ali. Thanks a lot. Super boy. Yes, Amr?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, honey. Let's choose a number. Yes, Amr, please.
11.
11, okay. Yes, Amr, a solid will change the shape when it is moved. If you have a book and you move your book from above the table and put it inside your bag, now the shape of your book will change or still the same?
Still the same.
So a solid will change the shape when it is moved. It's true or false?
True.
Listen well. Solid will change the shape when it is moved? Change or
No.
same? Yeah, of course, false. It's still there.
Still the same thing.
They are the same shape. So, because solid has shape of its own or has no shape?
Have shape in its own.
Great. You are super. Thanks, honey. Excellent. Yes, Jasir? Jasir?
Yes, teacher. 27.
Yes, mashallah, you are it. Okay, honey. 27. Volume is a measure of the amount of what something takes up.
Of matter.
Yeah, volume. Listen well, Jasir. Volume is a measure of the amount of what something takes up. The amount of mass or the amount of space something takes up. Yes, look well, Jasir.
Amount of
Yes, this is the measuring cup.
mass.
The volume.
Space.
Yes, the amount of space. Great job. The amount of space something takes up or liquids takes up. How can you measure the volume, Jasir?
By the measuring cup.
Great job, Jasir. How can we measure the mass of
By
solids?
the pallet.
How can we measure the length of solids?
By the ruler.
Great job, super, and you are amazing, mashallah. Thanks a lot, honey.
You're most welcome.
Yes, Hatem? Hatem?
Yes.
Yes, honey, let's choose a number.
6.
Okay. And number 6, which object has more mass? The car or the pencil?
Car.
Great job, because the car has more amount of matter or less amount of matter?
Mass.
Yes, more mass, because more amount of matter or less amount of matter? Yes, more mass, so more
What?
amount of matter. More amount of matter, so more mass. Okay, honey?
More mass.
Yes.
Yeah, okay.
Yes, more mass, more amount of. Yes, Hatem. More mass, more amount of
Of
matter.
mass.
Yes, more mass, more amount of matter, but less mass, less amount of.
Matter.
Great job, Hatem. Thanks, honey. You are amazing. Yes, yes, Malik. Malik.
Teacher.
Yes, choose a number, Malik.
Number 9.
Lighter object, like the pencil, have more mass than heavier, like the car. It's true or false? Yes, Malik. Lighter, like the pencil, have more mass than heavier, like the car. True or false?
True.
It's true. The pencil, heavy, has more mass than the
No.
Of course, no, Malik. Lighter has more mass. Lighter objects have less mass. Lighter have what, Malik?
It's more.
Less.
Less.
Lighter have less mass than heavier. Lighter have less mass than.
Heavy.
Great job, Malik. Thanks a lot. So look well, great to know the difference. More mass, more amount of matter, heavy object, but light object, less amount of mass and less, yes, this amount of matter. Less mass, this amount of matter. Yes, Muhammad Mahani? Yes, Muhammad?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, choose a number?
1.
Yeah. Tell me what form of matter is this? It's a solid or gas or liquid?
Solid.
Tell me what solid. Solid has shape of its own or has no shape? Yes, honey? Liquid has shape of its own. عمر سعيد.
Yes, teacher.
Honey, let's choose a number.
25.
Okay. Yes, here 25. Yes, give me one example of a solid.
Pencil.
Yes, has shape of its own or has no shape?
It has shape of its own.
Great job, honey. You are amazing, honey. Thanks a lot. Yes, Osama? Osama?
Yes, teacher.
Choose a number, honey.
2.
Okay. Number 2, which word tell how much space something takes up? How much space in the liquids? How much space the liquids takes up here in the measuring cup? It's called volume or mass?
Mass.
Volume or mass?
Mass.
Look well, Osama. I asked you about the liquids. How much space the liquids take up inside the measuring cup? It's a mass or volume?
Volume.
Great job, it's a volume. Tell me, how can you measure the volume, Osama? By measuring cup or by balance?
Cup.
Measuring cup. Great job, Osama. Thanks, honey. Super. Yes, Sulaiman? Sulaiman? Where are you, Sulaiman? Open your mic again, Sulaiman.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, to choose a number.
Yes, teacher.
Let's choose a number.
Yes.
Quickly. Choose a number, honey.
Choose 12.
Yes. And number 12, there are 4 kinds of matter. True or false?
True.
True, 4. Let's count it together. Solid and
3.
yeah, 3. Tell me about the 3. Solid.
Solid.
Yeah.
Gas.
Gas. Liquid.
Liquid.
So how many? 3 or 4?
3.
Great job, honey. Thanks a lot, Sulaiman. Yes, Sultan Naif? Sultan Naif? Quickly, honey, please. Sultan Salah?
Yes, teacher, Miss Sultan Naif.
Okay, so it's Sultan Salah. Yes, Sultan Naif, I will choose for you because there is no time. It's used to measure the mass of matter. How can you measure the mass?
Teacher, again.
Yes, honey. It's used to measure the mass of matter. How can you measure the mass, honey? Mass by balance or by ruler?
Balance.
Age of mass by balance. Thanks a lot. Yes, Sultan Salah. Sultan Salah. Yes, honey. Okay, number 4 is how much matter, the amount of matter in an object. It's a mass.
Number 10.
Okay, sorry, I choose for you because there is no time. Okay, so tell me, how much matter in an object is in an object? The amount of matter, more matter or less matter, Sultan? It's a mass or volume?
Mass.
Great job, Sultan. How can you measure the mass, Sultan? By balance?
Balance.
Great job, Sultan. Super. Yes, Yahya Muayyad. Yahya Muayyad. Yahya Muayyad.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yes. Okay, let's answer Yahya, please. Is used to measure the length of matter. How, Yahya? By ruler or by balance?
Balance. Ruler.
Yes, length, tall, how long by ruler. Great job, Yahya. Thanks, honey. Yes, Yusuf. Yusuf?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, Yusuf. All the solids have the same properties, Yusuf? Yes or no?
No.
Of course, no. They are?
They are and have a different properties.
Great job, Yusuf. Hello, honey. Super job. Okay. Someone not participate with me? Thanks, Yusuf. Turn off. Someone not answer? If anyone not participate with me, open your mic quickly because there is no time. If anyone not participate with me, open your mic.
Me teacher, I am Abdurrahman.
Yeah, Abdurrahman, you participate, honey. If anyone not participate, please open your mic. Okay, Abdullah Muhammad Qasim, you have a problem in your mic. Open.
I want to play.
Okay, but wait, honey. When all of your friends answer. Abdullah Qasim,
Okay.
Abdullah Muhammad Qasim, open your mic and answer. Abdullah.